In this video, we're gonna go over how they using magic on you in the courtroom. The magistrate, he's not a judge. He's really an administrator, but his title is magistrate. They're using magic on you. You know, if you want to talk to the dead, you have in all capitals dead man name, straw man, voodoo doll name. So if they want to speak to you, you got to raise the dead to speak to them. So all rise, and then you raise the dead and you speak to them. If you're not there, if you're not present, then he summons you from the dead. You know, like Mickey Mouse was summoning Fantasia. You don't go to court, but if you are in there, you need to challenge the name. You need to ask for proof of jurisdiction, because if they have jurisdiction over you, if you injured somebody, there'd be an injured party. Is there a man or woman present that has a claim against me? And if they have jurisdiction over you, it'll say the people versus your name, or what you're called. If they don't have jurisdiction over you, it'll say the state versus your all capitals name. And the state is a corporation. They can't do anything to you. They're fictional. They don't exist. It's fake. It's their reality. You're consenting to it, but just by going in there, the maximum of law is the presence of the body corrects the flaw in the name, which is their maxims. These are their rules. They have to follow the rules. You have to understand they can't step outside of the box. It's karma. As long as you're consenting to it, they can do whatever they want to you. And you consent just by saying you're that all capitals name. That's their name. That's their entity. That's what the entity in the word identity is. They created that for you. That's the second creation. You know, he's going to ask you, if you go in there, he's going to ask you if you're the agent, which is what you are. If you accept the birth certificate, you're either an agent or an administrator. So you can be the administrator. It's what cap you wear in there. Because you've been captured under capitalism with an all caps name. You are captive in this country. When you know it's a nation, it's nation. NA is salt, salt of the earth. You go by the laws of the land, not the laws of the sea. Myrrh, merchant, merchandise, mermaid, consumer, commercial, customer. It goes on and on and on and on. You know, the police, they're mercenaries that they send to collect because you said you was a foreigner by accepting a birth certificate that says you came over here on a ship and joined their citizenship when you're actually from here, from this land. This is your land. You inherited it, you know. But just don't go in there. I wouldn't go to court. That's their game, you know. Basketball is played on a court. Tennis is played on a court. It's a game, man. They're running a game all over you with words. It's just, you know. Are you representing yourself today? No, I am myself. I can't represent myself. I am myself. And in pro se, well, that's the prosecutors. That's who they are. They're that all capitals name. That's their name. You're committing fraud by using their name, by saying that that's you. That's why they're basically attacking you under that fringe flag. Do not infringe upon me. Just know, don't go in there. Let them drag you in there. It's easier to, you know, protest and arrest. They can only hold you for 3 days, period. Even if they do book you, you have a spine, you're sentenced, you're booked. That's all book stuff. I mean, I'll get into that in other videos, but just wanted to cover that. Magistrate, how they're using these words to trick you, you know. But shout out to my subscribers, you know. Shout out to my haters. I'm over it. You know, I'm doing me. Do you.